watch this video and learn how to draw this. I'm going to draw along too. And later in the show, we're all going to sing a song. It will have you hoppin'. It's time to start. It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Oh, hello little artists. Welcome to Artie's show. Thank you for watching. I'm really happy you're here. We're going to have a fun time. We're going to do a drawing together. And later on in the show, I'm going to have a song. It's going to be so much fun. Oh.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming.
Okay, little artists, are you ready to start? I think we have everything we need now. Okay, it's gonna be fun. Just draw along and copy everything that I do.
Wow, Artie, you're so talented. You should sing like I do.
Oh, I think we'll have a song in a few minutes. Yeah, that'll be fun. Okay. Okay, it's time to stop for a minute and have a song. Are you ready, little artists? I hope you sing along at home. Here we go.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb whose fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. Followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. Made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher
is a really good song. Now let's carry on with the drawing.
Oh.
It's painty. Oh.
Oh, I love it!
Oh, Painty, you made a big mess everywhere. I'm gonna have to clean that up. I'll do it after the drawing. Wow, that one came out really good. I think I'm finished. Are you finished, little artist? Are you really happy with how yours came out? I bet it looks great, but it's a little bit black and white. Oh, I know. Let's add some color.
It sure needs some color.
I think it's finished. Oh, wow. This is a really good one. It was a lot of work, but boy, does it look good. I'm very proud of it. I hope your one looked good as well. I bet it did.
Thanks for watching, little artists. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses. Mwah!
Well, little artist, that's the end of the show. I hope you had fun watching me draw and watching us sing and having a really good time. We hope to see you again. Please watch soon. Bye-bye and have an Artie day.